Kemunini wa mutongoria wa bururi William Ruto ni anyitanire na atongoria a makanitha odumwe na Kristiano kiharo-ini kia Uhuru Park igongona-ini ria mahoya kuria oriria Kenya mathingate urumwe,
so that they can raise an altar for you in our nation Kenya. And Heavenly Father, we want to thank you that because of them you have caused this nation to be a nation after your heart. Heavenly Father, we want to pray that you shall continue to give them favor, that you shall give them grace, so that they can intercede for our nation, they can intercede for our leaders.
Na nikio tokire turi igongona ria gucokeria Ngai ngatho ati nwikite maundu manene na ithi nitugucokeria ngatho itho amathani Jesu Kristo, na nikio tuma thiini wa kiharo kia Uhuru Park kuruta igongona ria gucokeria Ngai ngatho.
Nake muikariri giti wa kiama kia Jubilee Raphael Tuju ni acemanirie na gikundi gia atongoria a kiama gia Communist kuma bururi-ini wa China kuria mariririe maundu matiganite undu umwe na uria bururi ungigacirithia bara kuri ungumania.
Corruption makes government unpopular. That's what happened in the Soviet Union. They had a strong communist party in the Soviet Union, but it became so unpopular that actually the Soviet Union as we know it collapsed.
Tuju ni augire ni meguthie na mbere na kunyitanira na bururi wa China hari kugacirithia uthii wa na mbere na urumwe. Andu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Maina wa Mwangi.